Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I add the audio to my video in this video, because I have a mobile phone, and as you can hear here, well, maybe here, the audio is a bit muffled on the left side, and or a lot actually, and kinda okay on the right side. So you can use ffmpeg to just take mono out of a stereo video clip and then join the video with the audio. But what I found a script that was actually made for making multi-angle videos from clips found on YouTube from, for example, the same concert, and then put a proper audio track underneath, so the software will find it automatically. Now someone made a script that you can use on your computer, and I will put some links in the description. So what you do, you take the script on the command line, then you just drag and drop these two files, it's the video and the audio, and it will find the time it takes. Now it's in the cache, so actually this takes a bit of time, but now it's found that the video needs to be trimmed by this amount. So what I do first is that I open the audio in Audacity and then make some edits. But this video is not about that, so I will just get back to you when I've done that. Right. Now I have the edited audio here, and the next thing I want to do is to join the video with the audio. So what I use is ffmpeg, which is really weird to pronounce. And then what I do now, I have this long command line, which I can show you. So what I do, I just copy paste in all the file information. So what you need to do is to change the amount that needs to be cut, and then you have some ffmpeg command line magic here, which actually cuts the video. And what you need to do after here, you have to set -i, and then I copy paste the video, then -i again, I copy paste the audio I want, and then finally I'll have to tell it where the file is going to be. You can say just out.mp4 for example, but I like to do something like this. And then this is the original file, so you have to name it something else, like audio 80 or something. And then it will go very fast actually, because it's just copying, it's not doing any recompression. So there you have it. So let's try listening to it now. Clip 22. Okay, let's try listening to this keyboard. I'm just gonna put the microphone up here, pointing down. Hopefully this light doesn't make a noise. So let's see. Yes, I'm really happy with this method. It's a bit time consuming, but doing it the doing it the manual way, like importing into your software that you use. I use Kdenlive because it's something I've always used. It's buggy as hell, but it's something that works for me. Doesn't matter really, whatever you use. And then you take the audio clip like this, and the video, and then continue the audio, and you put it on your timeline. And then it really helps if you have made a clip sound with your fingers, so you can align them. But you can just control zoom and then try to align them as good as you think, and then you listen to it.